Sairam students, welcome back. Today we will start 17th lesson Top in Production in India. India is a country that is primarily based on agriculture for its economic development. Initially, humans started reproducing food for their consumption. Gradually, they started storing and commercializing the food. India is the world's second largest producer of the agriculture products. Top in production. In this lesson, we will see the largest agricultural producing states of India. Let's start. Match the following. In first column, product names are given. In second column, states names are given. First, cotton. India is leading producer of cotton in the world and stands at the second position among all cotton producing countries in the world. Answer: Maharashtra. Maharashtra has the largest area under cotton cultivation among all states, which is more than 41 lakh hectares. The major cotton growing regions of the state are Vidarbha, Yavatmal, Marathwada, Khandesh, Amravati, Akola, and Wardha. Gujarat state of India is the largest producer of cotton, followed by Maharashtra. Answer: first F. Second, rice. India is one of the world's largest producers of rice, including white rice and brown rice. Answer: West Bengal. West Bengal is the largest rice producing state in India. Almost half of its arable land is under rice cultivation. Answer: 2C. Third, sandalwood. Indian sandalwood is very sacred in the Hindu Ayurveda and is known in Sanskrit as Chandan. Sandalwood is often cited as one of the most expensive woods in the world. Both the wood and the oil produce a distinctive fragrance that has been highly valued for centuries. Answer: Karnataka. 3E. Fourth, spices. Answer: Kerala. The Kerala state is spice trade hub. Kerala is referred to as the spice garden of India as it has a variety of spices and is popular in the entire world. Idukki and Wayanad are the major locations for the growth of spices in the entire state. Answer: fourth B. Fifth T. Answer: Assam. India is the second largest producer and exporter of tea in the world and known for famous Assam tea and Darjeeling tea. Tea estates of Assam are world's largest tea growing region, grown in the lowlands of Assam in the valley of the Brahmaputra river. Answer: fifth G. Sixth, wheat. Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is one of the top wheat producing states of India. It is situated at the river basin, highly fertile Ganges. The state produces up to 300.010 lakh net tons of wheat. The wheat is grown in more than 96 lakh hectares of land in the state. Answer: 6C. 7th, wool. India is the seventh largest producer of wool and contributes 1.8% to the total world production of wool. Answer: Himachal Pradesh. The Himachal Pradesh has an established tradition of handloom industry in woolen sector. The hill state records about 1000 kg pashmina wool production annually at present. As of 2017, Rajasthan is the top region by wool production in India. Wool production in Rajasthan was 14,000 tons, that accounts for 45.26 of India's wool production. Answer: 7 A. Do you know, students? Dendrochronology is the study of tree rings to find out the age of the tree and information about past events such as change in climate. Students, we have completed 17th lesson. Now we will start 18th lesson. 18th lesson, Defense Forces. The Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of the Republic of India. It consists of three professional uniformed services: the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. The Indian Armed Forces are under the management of the Ministry of Defense of the Government of India. It is the world's second largest military force and has the world's largest volunteer army. Now we will start question answers. Answer the following questions. First, who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer, President Ramnath Kovind. The President has military powers. He is the Supreme Commander of the Defense Forces of India. He appoints the chiefs of the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. He can declare war or conclude peace subject to the approval of the Parliament. Second, who was the first Field Marshal of the Indian Army? Answer, Sam Manekshaw. Field Marshal, abbreviated as FM, is a five-star general officer rank and the highest attainable rank in the Indian Army. Sam Manekshaw was conferred the rank on 1st January 1973. Third, where is National Defence Academy located? Answer, Khadakwasla, Pune. The National Defence Academy is the joint services academy of the Indian Armed Forces, where cadets of the three services, the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force, train together before they go on to respective service academy for further pre-commission training. It is the first tri-service academy in the world. Fourth, which is the highest gallantry award that is given to soldier of Indian Army? Answer, Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Paramveer Chakra translates as the greatest of the ultimate brave, and the award is granted for most conspicuous bravery in the presence of the enemy. 21 military personnel have received this award to date. 20 have been from the Indian Army and one has been from the Indian Air Force. Fifth, who was the first recipient of the Paramveer Chakra? Answer, Major Somnath Sharma. Major Sharma, with a broken arm, staved off enemy attacking on Budgam Aerodrome and Srinagar. He was personally filling magazines and issuing them to the light machine gunners. His death inspired the fellow soldiers to fight the enemy 7-1 for 6 hours. Bravery and leadership of highest order was displayed by Major Sharma, for which he was awarded the first Paramveer Chakra on 26 January 1950. His last message to headquarters was, "The enemy is 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch, but will fight to the last man and the last round." Sixth, what is the name of India's surface to air missile? Answer, Akash. Akash is a medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile defense system developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. The missile system can target aircraft up to 30 km away at altitudes up to 18,000 meters. It has the capability to neutralize aerial targets like fighter jets, cruise missiles, and air to surface missiles, as well as ballistic missiles. 7. Which is India's largest warship? Answer: INS Vikramaditya. INS Vikramaditya is a modified Kiev-class aircraft carrier and the flagship of the Indian Navy, which entered into service in 2013. Originally built as Baku and commissioned in 1987, INS Vikramaditya in Sanskrit literature means brave as the sun. 8. Who is the Indian Army general before whom the Pakistan Army surrendered during the 1971 war? Answer: Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. In 1971, India won the war against Pakistan that resulted in the birth of Bangladesh. War ended after the chief of the Pakistani forces, General Amir Abdullah Khan Niazi, along with 93,000 troops, surrendered to the joint forces of Indian Army and Bangladesh Mukti Bahini. The war lasted for just 13 days and is one of the shortest wars in history. Indian Army brought Pakistani Army to its knees, took 93,000 Pakistani prisoners and gave 75 million people of Bangladesh their independence. Ninth, to which wing of the Indian Armed Forces does the rank Commodore belong? Answer: Navy. Commodore is a senior naval rank used in many navies, which is equivalent to brigadier. An air commodore, that is superior to a navy captain but below a rear admiral. As on official rank, a commodore typically commands a flotilla or squadron of ships as part of a larger task force of naval fleet commanded by an admiral. 10. Near which Indian city is Wagah, the Indian border post? Amritsar. Amritsar is 32 kilometers away from the India-Pakistan border, known as the Wagah border. Its Indian name is Attari. This is the only road crossing from India into Pakistan. Each day around sunset, thousands of Indians, Pakistanis, and foreigners gather to watch the unique tradition of the changing of the guard ceremony, flag down ceremony, and the synchronized marching of the guards on both sides of the border. Do you know, students, Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sikhon is the only winner of Paramveer Chakra in the Indian Air Force. Students, we have completed 18th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Three logos are displayed on the screen. You have to identify these logos. First logo is yes, Indian Army. Second logo is Indian Air Force. Third logo is Indian Navy. Indian Army Day is celebrated on January 15. Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on October 8. Indian Navy Day is celebrated on December 4. Students, we have completed 17th and 18th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Take care.